Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alibisa Fitri and number student. I want to do task number 3, which is a conversation with a friend on the topic of asking and giving opinion. Hi Alia, have you watched the new movie Garuda di Dadaku?
Yes, I have. I watched it last weekend.
What do you think about the movie?
In my opinion, it was very inspiring and entertaining.
Do you think the story was interesting?
Yes, I do. The story teaches us to work hard and never give up.
Which character do you like the most?
I like Putra the most because he was brave and determined.
Do you think the actor performed well?
Yes, I think they did an excellent job.
What was your favorite part of the movie?
My favorite part was when Putra finally achieved his dream.
Would you recommend this movie to your friends?
Yes, I would. I think they will enjoy it
Why do you think students should watch it?
because it gives positive lessons about achieving dreams and believing in themselves.
Thank you for sharing your opinion.
You're welcome. I hope you watch it soon too.